Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Fazlina Aziz and welcome back to my channel. So today I am styling with a square hijab. This is a new collection from Tudung people. The style that I'm wearing used to be really popular back in Malaysia. So if you want to know how to wear this style or you want to know more about this scarf, so just stay tuned. Start off with a triangle and then you wear it right at the center like this. Take one and pin it right above your ear, and then my trick is to always pin it here so that this won't move. And then you take this part, tak dekat bawah, and just pin it on your shoulder. Ended up looking like this, and you can also pin here to keep the scarves in place. And you're done! This is the final look. You can have a lot more pin to keep it intact, but I just like it like this, like a bit more loose and free. Okay, that's all. If you want to know more about this collection, you can just click on the link down below. Thank you for watching!